Hello and welcome to the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Crescent Primary from St. Catherine up against Boundbrook Primary from Portland. I'm your host, Kadeen Foote, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the coin toss. Crescent won and decided to have Boundbrook go first. So let us get into section 1, where questions are asked alternately of the teams. They will have 10 seconds in which to answer and will earn 1 point for each correct answer. We begin with Bible knowledge. This is Boundbrook. On which day of creation was the sun and moon made?
Day 2.
Incorrect, it's the 4th day. Crescent, what was the 5th of the 10 commandments given to Moses?
Honor thy mother and thy father.
Incorrect, it's thou shalt not kill. Science. Boundbrook, which specific nerves in the body allow the brain to control our muscles?
The muscular nerves.
Incorrect, it's motor nerves. Crescent, which specific nerves in the body carry signals to the brain about the external environment?
Sensory nerves.
That's correct. International affairs, it's a visual Boundbrook. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Cuba.
Correct. Crescent, your turn to look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed here.
Haiti. Haiti.
That's correct. English language. Boundbrook, spell effervescent.
EFFORENCY.
Incorrect. It's EFFERVESENT. Effervescent. Crescent, your turn. Spell equivalent.
EQUIVALENT.
Correct. We move on to television. Boundbrook, this is a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Piggy.
Close, but it's Porky Pig. Crescent Primary, look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Yogi Bear. Yogi Bear.
That's correct. General knowledge, Boundbrook, Alexander Graham Bell is famous for inventing which device?
The telephone.
Correct. Crescent, Thomas Edison is credited for inventing which household object?
Microwave.
Incorrect, it's the light bulb. Social studies, Boundbrook, the Yellow River can be found in which country?
Barbados.
Incorrect, it's China. Crescent, the Kremlin is a landmark in which country?
Scotland.
Incorrect, it's Russia. Music, Boundbrook, what is the birth name of Jamaican reggae artist Buju Banton?
Mark Myrie.
Correct. Crescent, what is the birth name of Jamaican artist Shabba Ranks?
John Brown.
Incorrect, it's Rexton Gordon. Mathematics, Boundbrook, what is the product of 13 and 83?
The answer is...
The bell beat you to it. And pass it to Crescent. Would you like to try?
1079. 1079.
That's correct. Crescent, your question. What is the product of 15 and 72? Passes to Boundbrook. Would you like to try?
JSCQ 1080. 80. 1080.
Waiting on the judges. The wrong answer came first. It is in fact 1080.
That's what I said.
And that's the bell. And we have Boundbrook on 3 and Crescent on 4. So we go for a break, and when we come back, it will be time for the Junior Challenge face-off. But first, listen out for the friendly tip from NCB. A balanced diet is recommended for good learning. Many children shun their veggies and fruits, but these are essential for healthy living. And we make a correction before we go to the break. Boundbrook is on 3, Crescent is on 5. Please stay with us. We'll be right back.